I like to keep my jewelry nice and clean, so when the seller sent me this ultrasonic cleaner, I was really excited to try it. Now it comes with a user manual, and inside you will find a nice little buffing cloth to clean off your jewelry, a cord, and some plastic tweezers. Let's go ahead and clean some of our jewelry. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my jewelry in there. I've just put some water up to the line. Close the lid. The timer counts down how long they're in there, and there's also a timer so that you can set it however long you would like. The timer can be set for 300, 450, or 600 seconds. As you can see, the jewelry is being slightly agitated, ever so slightly, just to get out all of the dirt and the debris. Countdown is over. The machine shuts off, and now it's time to take our jewelry out. Look how sparkly it looks. This machine does an awesome job cleaning all of your jewelry and making it look absolutely brand new, shiny, and stunning. Another thing I like about this machine is that it is great to clean your eyeglasses. So you just do the same thing and let her rip. Now your glasses will be nice and clean and ready for you to wear. This is also great for oral appliances as well. I really love this ultrasonic cleaner, and I think you will too.